Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today, we're diving into a topic that's super relevant for many of you. How to transfer money from India to the USA without tax, based on insights from Quora in 2025. If you're dealing with international remittances, this could save you time and money. Let's break it down step by step. First things first, transferring money across borders isn't always straightforward, especially when it comes to taxes. The good news is, there are legal ways to minimize or avoid them altogether, but always remember to check the latest rules as laws can change. According to Quora discussions from 2025, one of the most popular methods is using gift exemptions. For example, in the US, you can gift up to $18,000 per year per recipient without triggering gift tax, and in India, gifts from close relatives are often tax-free under certain conditions. Another smart approach is leveraging digital remittance services like Wise, PayPal, or Remitly. These platforms offer competitive exchange rates and lower fees compared to traditional banks, potentially helping you sidestep hefty taxes on large transfers. Quora users highlight that for amounts under specific thresholds, these services might not attract immediate taxation if structured as personal transfers. If you're sending money for education, medical expenses, or investments, look into special exemptions. In India, the Liberalized Remittance Scheme, LRS, allows up to $250,000 per year for various purposes, and with proper documentation, you might avoid taxes. However, for business-related transfers, things get trickier, so Quora experts recommend using NRE or NRO accounts to keep things compliant. But here's the key. Avoiding taxes isn't about evasion, it's about smart planning. Always consult a certified tax advisor or financial expert to ensure you're following both Indian and US regulations. Penalties for non-compliance can be steep, so play it safe. In 2025, Quora suggests monitoring exchange rates and using apps for real-time tracking to optimize your transfers. By staying informed, you can make the process smoother and more cost-effective. Thanks for watching. Hit that like button if this helped, and subscribe for more tips on global finance. See you next time.